As the lesbian community is not represented very well in cinematography and we try to be as original as possible, I would say that our movie challenges a lot of conventions. For example, we use distorted lines to represent anger in the neon lightning scenes. Also, the actors are looking into the camera at some points in the movie. For example, the shots in which they're laying down, they're actually looking at each other. In the park, the scenes are edited in such a way to look like they were aware of being filmed. For example, by a friend or someone who was there. Another original thing about our project is our production company's logo. It is transparent and it appears directly on the ongoing opening. Another thing I'm going to talk about is representation issues. In our project, actual teenagers played the roles. Usually in movies, they are represented by adult actors. We also represented the LGBT community in a non sexualized way. The title belongs to the queer vocabulary, meaning someone who only slept with one person in their whole life. Our movie changed the connotation of the expression in a much purer way to express the fact that she only loved the other girl. Another convention which we challenged is the fact that we portrayed our actors as feminine lesbians. Usually in movies, at least one of them, if not both, are represented as tomboys. The film opening also passes the Bechdel test, showing a normal relationship between two female characters in love. The camera was used to present the characters as they are and not to imply any sexual connotation to the female body, excluding the male gaze altogether. And when talking about age representation, the adult mother is too conformist and doesn't understand a more liberated way of loving another same sex person. Other conventions that we used, which are related to representation, are the color of the neon lights that represent different emotions. The light makes visible the feelings and emotions of the girls, blue when fighting and pink when loving each other. Warm colors connote happiness and a sense of well being and love. We used also the beam of light effect to represent flashbacks. And more cold and gray colors in the beginning and the last shots, showing the sadness and pain of the main character's memories. Other conventions that we used are the alcohol bottle and running mascara to represent the sorrow, narration over the opening, the names of the characters sound sensible, fragile, and very feminine. The credits are white, classic, and slow paced, but the title is in a different, much more bolded font to make it stand out. The names of the film crew members were invented in order to offer a professional and more genuine look.